The holiday is here. What will your children be doing at home? Instead of letting your kids spend their days glued to their TV screens, why not equip them with skills that will shape their future? Hello, my name is Chidinma. We are introducing Bizmarrow ICT and computer training for kids. Our program offers practical hands-on training that prepares your children for the digital age. From coding to robotics, they will learn skills that will open doors to endless possibilities. Led by certified instructors, our classes provide a safe and supportive environment for learning. Watch as your child gains confidence and mastery in technology. This holiday, invest in your child's future. Register them for Bizmarrow ICT and computer training for kids today. To register any of your kids today, visit our website or any of our physical offices in Abuja. You can also call the numbers displayed on your screen and be sure to follow us on all our social media platforms where we'll bring to you behind-the-scene content and updates. Until I come your way next time, my name is Chidinma.